So Anna, we'll treat your crow's feet, glabella, and a little bit to your frontalis. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, good. So settle your head back here. A little alcohol here to clean your skin. Any questions about anything?
No.
All right. So I'm going to get started here on your left side. Just pulling back on your skin a little bit, and you feel a little stick at 1, 2, 3, stick. Little pressure, okay? Good. Now I'm going to come over to your right side and do that same thing. Little stick, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we'll put a little bit in your forehead. So on your left side, turn towards me a little bit, raise your eyebrows up, and then relax. You can ice a little bit over there. Little stick way over here. 1, 2, 3, stick. Little stick here. 1, 2, 3. Another stick here. Another stick here. Turn a little bit more towards me. Stick here. Stick here. And then last stick in your frontalis here. Good. Okay. Now look really angry at me, like scowl. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna pinch your right eyebrow. You're gonna feel a stick in the middle. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna switch needles. You're doing great. Pinching your eyebrow again. Stick right here. 1, 2, 3. Another stick here. Good. Now I'm on your left eyebrow. Little pinch. Stick here. Stick here. And I'm going to grab my last syringe. We'll stick right here. 1, 2, 3. Done. Did great.
Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead and ice for a minute, and I'll have Hannah come bring you up front. Thanks for coming back in.
Thanks.